Sunday begins our 10 a.m. classes for kids and adults. And I really invite you to enjoy the continental breakfast starting at 9:30 in the milk and honey room. Now there'll be toast, bagels, eggs, bacon, cereal, milk, juice, fruit, yogurt, coffee, and tea. Oh, and I almost forgot, there'll be donut holes as well. So get here at 9:30, between 9:30 and say 9:50, so you can eat. Don't have to worry about eating at home. Kids who are about 2.5, maybe a little past that, to almost 5, and then up through 5 to 7, there'll be in two rooms on the back side of the building, which are the two rooms they've been using during the previous sermon time. 8 to 12-year-olds will be in Joe's room upstairs. Now, Rhonda Harrington, along with Christy, will handle the younger group, and Cindy will normally lead the 5 to 7-year-olds. However, this coming Sunday, Libby DeNicholas will handle that, and they'll always have a rotation of people to help them assist. Joe Harrington will lead the 8 to 12-year-olds, along with Celeste Price as his assistant. The kids at class will get a Bible buck for coming, and a Bible buck if they bring their Bible to class. Just a word of caution, the Bible buck store won't open after class. It'll be after the sermon. So during the sermon period, kids about 2.5 to 7 will be upstairs in the hotel room, and I will lead this group with help from a rotation of teens and adults. Kids attending the upstairs class during the sermon will receive a Bible book. Now the older kids, 8 to 12, will be sitting with their parents in the assembly during the sermon. Now at the conclusion of the sermon, the Bible buck store will be open, and all kids, including the 8 to 12-year-olds, can come up, go to the Bible buck store, and make purchases. As far as adults are concerned, Jonathan's Go group will meet in his office to begin with. All other adults should participate in the discussion groups in the auditorium. Classes will end at 10:45. The assembly will begin promptly at 11. And just as a reminder, the Bible buck store will open at about 11:55, and we aim to conclude the assembly at noon. So let's start our classes with eagerness and promptness. Let us attend, pray, invite. So many of the neighborhood will attend our fall festival on October 28th. And that at least 10% of the guests will return for our Boom Sunday, October 29th. Are you ready? I hope so. Through prayer and wise effort, let's change Canyon Country.